San Pedro. Hi, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Mabuhay!
Kamusta po kayo? Okay, so we'll keep this message very brief po because like everyone else, we're excited to witness the outstanding performances of all the candidates tonight. Before anything else, our warmest congratulations po sa ating Mr. Nueva Ecija organization led by Mr. Don Gerald Santos and directed by Ms. Lloyd Perez. Congratulations po. And for mounting a very modern and beautifully executed pageant, palakpakan naman po natin ang Mr. Nueva Ecija. Mr. Nueva Ecija provides a platform where young Nova Ecijanos can showcase not only their confidence and charisma, but also their leadership, intellect, and commitment to become positive role models. Male pageantry today goes far beyond competition. It celebrates gentlemen who use their influence to inspire others, champion meaningful causes, and become proud ambassadors of tourism for their municipalities, cities, and our province. As they begin their journey, we hope they embrace the responsibility that comes with the title, not only by representing Nueva Ecija on the national stage, but also by helping promoting the beauty of our destinations, the richness of our culture and heritage, and the warmth of the Nova Ecijano spirit. We hope to become active partners in showcasing Nueva Ecija, encouraging more, inspiring greater pride in the places we call home. To all our candidates, congratulations on making it this far. We are excited to witness your performances tonight and to see the next Nova Ecijano Kings who will have the honor of representing our province on the national stage. Palakpakan naman po natin lahat ang ating mga candidates. To all the families, friends, and supporters na nandito po ngayon, continue to cheer for our candidates and make this a memorable evening for everyone. While only one or a few, or kung ilan po ang kings natin tonight, will take home the titles, every candidate has already made his municipality or city proud by stepping onto the stage and giving his best. They are all worthy of our applause and support. To our distinguished guests tonight, welcome to the province of Nueva Ecija. Although the weather may be rainy today, we hope that you'll have the opportunity and the time to explore this beautiful municipality as well as our neighboring towns. We invite you to experience the warmth of the Nova Ecijanos. On behalf of the provincial government of Nueva Ecija, led by our beloved Governor Aurelio Oy Matias-Mali, our Vice Governor, Bill Raymond Coyaleman Umali, at of course, ang ina ng ating nilawigan, Ma'am Zarina Cherry Domingo Umali. We congratulate the organizers once again and wish all the candidates the very best. Have a wonderful evening, enjoy the competition, and tonight, may we crown not just the winners, but gentlemen who will become worthy ambassadors of Nueva Ecija, representing our province with confidence, character, and purpose. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.